Hi everybody, it's Vanessa here with some Happy Meal from Ally Team. I do testings of her products for her and she sends them to me to test. So let's get this show on the road to see what we have today. So far I'm seeing, looks like bath salts. Yep, this is bath salts. Let me take this off here. There we go. I can save the little flower for something. This is Ziti Orange. And then I have Peppermint Blast and 99 Lavender. I'm going to try these. Okay, then we have, let me see. I have to cut all these open because she taped them with packing tape to keep them safe for shipping. So each one's going to have to be open. This is deodorant. I don't know what kind of deodorant it is because I can't read the small print. But all her ingredients will be listed on her website as soon as she has it up and running. Right now she has everything on her business page on Facebook. And I would try to do my best to link it down below. So here's the little thing of deodorant. And this one screws, okay? Let's check what this is. I'll give y'all some of the ingredients as soon as I go through all this. Let's see what this is. If I can get it out. This is makeup setting spray. So we'll try that. And this is all organic products. So, and I have super sensitive skin. So she wants me to test them to see how it's going to react with my skin. So this is setting spray. Okay. It's 2 ounces. Oh, she has a date they expire on them now. That's something new she hadn't done before. And I will try to list all the ingredients on with the pictures when I put the video up. So y'all know what's in each product. And this here, let's see. Let me get a magnifying glass. Because I really want to see what these are. Okay. This is organic whipped mango butter. And you see she has a little seal here. Oh yes. I will be trying this. Let me get the plastic off of here. So that's mango butter. It's like body butter, okay? Let me take all these little bits and pieces off of my desk here. Get this done. And this is pumpkin spice oil, seed oil. So let's get into this and see what this is. It has natural whipped sugar scrub, rose infused. Okay. And we have this one. These are well packaged, I'm telling you guys. And she doesn't put anything on the website until I give her the go. Ooh. Let's see what this is. Mango body butter. Oh, yes. Let's test it out and see. Ooh. Nice and smooth going on. There's no oil. No residue. Cool beans. I will give you what I will do, and the way I do my testing is I test each item for a month. I'll do a video of the item that I'm testing. A month later, I will go and give my review on what I thought of it and how it reacted with my skin and everything. And then I will send the video to her and she will put it on her page. Now this is organic lemon tea tree bar soap. Look at that little picture, how pretty. It's a little fairy. Okay, let's see what this jar is. I mean, she really sealed these really well because they're actual jars. They're breakable. I don't think she uses any. No. The only plastic is these. Everything else is glass. As I can see. As far as I can see, this is plastic. So, most of her products will be put in glass bottles. And this is more setting spray with vitamin E. So we'll be testing both of these. And like I said, I'll try to put the ingredients and the instructions and everything as a scroll in each video. So we have that. And when I test these products, I do tell her what I like, what I don't like, how my skin reacted, and she tries to change and put, you know, new stuff in, new ingredients in, and resend them to me, and I retest it. Okay, what is this little thingy here? This is cute. This is lip balm. Winter's coming. We all need lip balm, right? Let me get this piece of paper out of my way. Ooh, this smells good. It goes on really well. Now this one I have to be careful with because I need the ingredient listing here. So we're going to gently take this off of here. But there's our ingredients for it. And this is a shampoo bar. Never heard of that one. This one, another lip balm, green apple, and then here, in this itty bitty tube, is pineapple lip gloss. So here's all the items that she has sent me. I will take individual photos and put them in the video. And I will put the video up in a few minutes. And as I go, like if I test this, okay, which is the body whip mango body butter, whipped mango body butter, okay. If I test this, I will literally do a video saying this is what I'm testing, and I will give it to you guys in a month after I've fully tested it and I write everything down. The skin reactions, the reactions I get of how I like it, if I don't like it, what's wrong with it, what's the benefits of it, what's not benefit for it. I will let you know. All that will be said and done in my review. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. So I will say this in closing. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, don't forget, be watching for these products now. Bye-bye for now.